let's start this one. Pay attention over here, everyone. Now 40 and 72, which table both of them are coming? 40 and 8. Okay, both of them are coming in the table of 8. So we will divide the numerator as well as denominator by 8. Okay, 8 की टेबल में 40 कब आता है? 5 sir. Okay. 8 की टेबल में 72 कब आता है? 9 sir. Okay. 144 and 180. In which table both of them are coming?
9.
ऐसे तो आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. I can tell you, ये even number लग रहा है. Both of them are coming. If they are even number, both of them are coming in the table of 2. So what you do make a rough column and divide 144 by 2. So what we are going to do, dividing both of them by 2 upon 2. Okay, since both of them are coming in the table of 2. Though both are even numbers, 2 7s are 14. Just put 0 here. Put this 1 4 here. 2 2s are 4. Okay, see. So it is coming 72 times. 2 72s are. So I'm going to write 72 here. Similarly, you can divide 2 की टेबल में 18 कब आता है? 9s are 90. हाँ.
Ma'am, can we divide 140?
Any number, but the beta you can divide by any number, but the final answer should be this only. Okay, you can divide it by any number, but the final answer should be this only. You can divide it by any of the numbers. So 72 and 19, which table both of them are coming? 72 and 90, which table both of them are coming?
Ma'am, 9.
Huh?
9.
9, very good. Divide both them then by 9. 9 8s are 72, 9 10s are 90. Then 8 upon 10 is coming. 8 upon 10, 8 and 10, with which table both of them are coming? 8 upon 10 I'm writing here. 2's table? 4 upon 5. Check, your answer will be 4 upon 5. आप किसी से भी divide करो, but final answer 4 upon 5 ही होना चाहिए. किसी से भी divide करो, final answer 4 upon 5.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have divided when answer is 4 upon 5.
Please don't tell, okay, Kushal? No need to tell. Okay? It
Ma'am,
creates a lot of confusion.
I have done all the questions. Ma'am,
Dave, please don't open your mind. Tell this question, this type of things that I have done this, I have done all the questions that I have not done. Because it creates a lot of confusion over here. Okay? Please don't tell. If you have done, very good.
Ma'am, I have sent on WhatsApp, ma'am. Please check my.
Beta, I'll check it afterwards. Let me finish this. Let me teach others also. Okay? Okay, 10 and 12. By which number it should be divided? 10 and 12 in which number? You can divide both of them by 2. 2 5s are 10 and 2 6 are 12. 5 and 6, are they coming any of the same table?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. This is the answer. आप किसी से भी divide करो, answer 5 upon 6 ही आना चाहिए. Okay, you can divide it simply by 10 upon 10. Because last में 0 आ रहा है, that means both of them are coming in the table of 10. So answer will be 12 upon 36. 12 और 36 किसकी table में आते हैं दोनों?
Ma'am, 4. Ma'am, 12.
6, 12. All are correct. 4, 6, 12, all are correct. So I'm taking 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 3s are 36. I am taking 12. Final answer should be this. आप 4 से divide करो, चाहे 3 से divide करो. Final answer should be here, 1 upon 3. This is the only correct answer, 1 upon 3. This is the simplest form. 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 They बीच वाले जो ये आए, they are equivalent fractions. They all are equivalent fractions. This one is equivalent fraction. But this is equivalent also as well as simplest form also. Dave, please switch off your mic. It creates a lot of disturbance. Okay. Understood? Okay. We are going to start the next next question. How much time will you take? We are doing this since the previous period. How much time will you take to do this? Do it quickly. Previous period से कर रहे हैं बेटा ये 40 minutes वो और आज के भी 40 minutes. Okay, I'm waiting. Just do it quickly. For next, we are going to do question number B. Okay, it is same as this previous one. Question B. Can you see question B here?
Yes,
Can you see
ma'am.
question B? Now start doing question B, everyone. Simply you have to write whether they are in the lowest form or not. आपको ये लिखना है कि ये lowest form में है या नहीं है, और वो कैसे पता करेंगे कि ये lowest form में है या नहीं है? You will check क्या ये किसी same table में आ रहे हैं या नहीं आ रहे हैं. If they are coming in any of the same table, then yes. If they are coming in not, if they are not coming in any of the same table, then no. Sorry, opposite. अगर ये दोनों किसी सेम टेबल में आते हैं तो फिर ये लोएस्ट फॉर्म में नहीं है, तो फिर आप इसमें लिखोगे नो. अगर ये दोनों किसी सेम टेबल में नहीं आ रहे हैं, जैसे 14 एंड 17 किसी सेम टेबल में नहीं आते हैं, तो ये लोएस्ट फॉर्म में है, दैट मीन्स यस. Tell me when you have done it, okay? No need to send. Okay, so see the first question. So question is, check if the following are in, just wait, just give me a second. Okay, check if the following fractions are in their lowest term. आपको बताना है ये lowest form में है या नहीं है. So first number is 14 upon 17. Here, 1, 4, 14 and 17, do they come in any of the same table? Do they come in any of the same table, 14 and 17?
No, ma'am.
किसी से में नहीं आते. That means this fraction is in its simplest form. ये fraction अपनी simplest form में है. That means you will write yes here. Okay. Now 15 and 18 ये किसी same table में आते हैं दोनों के दोनों?
Yes, ma'am.
कौन सी?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, 3.
3 5s are 15 and 3 6 are 18. So that means they are not in their simplest form. They are not in their simplest form. We will write here no. Okay. Now 5 upon 8. Tell me 5 upon 8. क्या किसी same table में आते हैं दोनों?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
किसी same table में नहीं आते. Both of them do not come in any of the same table. So that means they are in simplest form or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
They are in their lowest form. Lowest term में है ये. Yes. They are in their lowest term. Okay. 18 upon 27. 18 upon 27. Do they come in any of the lowest? Any same table? Same किसकी टेबल में आते हैं दोनों? 3 के में भी आते हैं, 9 के में भी आते हैं. That means they are not in their simplest form. They are not in their simplest form. No. And 6 and 28, do they come in the same table?
No, ma'am.
No, they do not come in any of the same table. So, they do not come in any of the same table. Adrika, same table में नहीं आते Adrika. 6 and 28. बेटा even numbers है तो इसका मतलब है ये same table में तो आते ही हैं अगर even numbers है. They come in the table of 2. So they come in same table. That means no here. Okay. Okay. 11 and 121. Do they come in any of the same table?
No, ma'am.
Achha, do 11, 11.
Yes,
Do 11.
Ma'am, it comes.
It comes in the table of what?
11.
11. So that means yes or no? Yes or no? They are in simplest form or not?
Yes. No. No. No.
They are not coming in any of the same table. No. 19 and 52. Do they come in any of the same table? Check it. 19 की टेबल में 54 आता है या नहीं? 19 is a prime number. 19 की टेबल में 52 आता है या नहीं आता?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am, it won't come. Ma'am, they do not come in any table. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do they come in any of the same table?
No, ma'am.
No, they do not come in any of the same table. Oh, sorry, they do not come in any of the same table. They are in simplest form. Sorry, they are in simplest form. 55 and 100. किसी same table में आते हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
किस same table में आते हैं?
Yes, ma'am. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine.
No, sorry, they are not in simplest form. They are not in simplest form. Sorry. Okay, now write, see the answers carefully. Take your answers.
Yes. Ma'am, all of my answers are correct. Ma'am, all answers are correct. Ma'am, all of my answers are correct.
Okay, now let's start some of the reasoning question. I can share it this. Okay, we will start the next one in next period. Now I'm going to start the reasoning questions. Okay. So let me rub this first. No, reasoning notebook you can take. Okay, I'm going to give you a few reasoning questions based on coding and decoding. Coding and decoding. Okay, we are going to start coding and decoding. Okay, I'm going to give you a few questions. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay. Coding and decoding in your. This is easy one. What you have to do, you have to type your message in the chat box, and I'll just whatever I have to do, I will just see the answer, and first and second and third I will tell you who is coming first, who is coming second. This is an easy one. This is
Now
an
we
easy
have
one.
to do this. Now we have to do this in a book of
It is some
reasoning.
साथ में बोलोगे, I'll not be able to listen. Yes, obviously, because in the end you want questions for Prabhadev. Let me speak. Dev, shall I speak? Shall I speak, Dev? Okay. See now. Yes, note it down somewhere. Yes, obviously do it in reasoning notebook, because in the end you will not have anything to practice. So to revise these things, you will have something material. So note it down somewhere. This one an easy one. You just answer it in the chat box. And after answering in the chat box, you can just type the answering in the chat box. You can just look here. Sorry, write down in the notebook, reasoning notebook. Okay. So this one is easy one. TLAS. If the salt is written as this, how will you write sugar? This is easy coding. This one is very easy. Type the answers in the chat box quickly. I'm going for through your answers. This one reason.
Then we have to make it opposite.
What you have to do? Ashvik?
क्या काम हो गया? देव वो क्या कहते हैं?
What do you have
उल्टा
to do?
करना है.
उल्टा करना है. बस ये इजी है. उल्टा करना है ना?
हाँ कट हो गया.
ठीक है. Okay, Ashvik उल्टा करना है. Okay. See, salt is written as S पर. बेटा, पहले switch off your mics. Aram, please switch off your mic. Dave, switch off your mic.
Decode.
Dave, please switch off your mic. It creates a lot of disturbance. You keep on talking and they are not able to listen. See here, ulta karna hai according to Ashvik. सीधी बात है, उल्टा करना है. T come first, then L come, फिर A आया, फिर S आया, उल्टा कर दिया. Okay, Ashvik, ठीक है ना? तो similarly here, RAGUS, Ragus. What is it, Ragus?
More questions?
Yes, I'm giving you more questions. Yes. Now, see, if Delhi is written as, Hill D, how will you write Nepal? How will you write Nepal? Quickly, answers in the chat box if you know the answer. ये किसने लिखा है? उत्सव रॉन्ग है.
My answer is correct.
अभी रुक जाओ वरिन, थोड़ा सा वेट करते हैं ना. बी पेशेंट, है ना वरिन? प्लीज बी पेशेंट वरिन. ओके, लेट मी चेक. उत्सव का रॉन्ग है. वरिन, ओके, फर्स्ट इज वरिन. Gave me the first correct answer was by Varin. Okay, next correct answer was by Rachit. Very good, Rachit. Okay, then Ashvik. No, wrong answer, Ashvik. Anshuman, wrong answer. Dev, correct answer. Third one is Dev. Okay, then who is next? First, we pay attention. How do we crack this code? How do we crack this code?
Ma'am, in Delhi, HI is first. So in Nepal, AL will be first.
Very good.
Then in Delhi, L. So in Nepal, there will be P.
Okay.
And then in Delhi, there is DE. So in Nepal, there is N.
NE. Okay, see here. Beta, how do we do these type of questions? This is a correct